All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Hey, today's kind of special. It's an old, over 100-year-old home over here in Glendora, California. I'm gonna take you inside in a second, but first I want to show you is you can't see it because of the fog, but like right past that car, across the street, which is Foothill Boulevard, is the very first karate studio I joined back in the early 80s when I moved out here from California. So let's run in here and see what we got. Oh. Hey Ross, when was this house built? 1920. 1920. So it has the 1.5 inch wide, which I love, 3/8 thick. So it's been refinished several times. You can see where the tongue and the groove are starting to kind of break apart over the years. But we're going to save it. We're going to save it. We're going to nail down the loose boards, fill in all the gaps and cracks. So when they built this house, in these back bedrooms, they did the Douglas fir. So this is going to be light and bright. We're not sure if we're going to stain it or leave it light and bright. So he is getting it ready to sand, so I'm going to suggest light and bright and natural. All right, you're going to want to see the during and after.